Paris Fury looked super chic and stylish on Tuesday, as she showed off her latest fashion choice since returning home to British weather. The mum of 6, 32, flashed a hint of midriff to her Instagram followers, as she showed off a Chanel-inspired skirt and blazer co-ord. Paris teamed the tweed-looking suit with a plain black mini top and wore her blonde locks up away from her face, as she posed in what appeared to be a public bathroom. Mirror mirror. You know the rest. Paris captioned the chic shot shared with 1 million followers. While looking absolutely stunning as always, one of the star's followers gushed underneath the snap, with another commenting, "Beautiful outfit, beautiful you." A third quipped, "Mirror mirror on the wall, who the fairest of them all, you are Paris Fury." The star's fashion update comes just days after she and her family arrived home from a luxury holiday in the south of France. The couple and their 6 kids had been living it up on a super yacht said to cost a whopping £18,000 a night, but flew home with a budget airline. Shortly after touching down back on British soil, Paris posed with a Greggs sausage roll, captioning the post, "Back to reality, got the cheek to keep the shades on lol." Just a few days earlier, the Fury family were snapped holidaying on a huge yacht which can sleep up to 14 people thanks to its 7 cabins. It boasted 3 king-size, 1 queen, 1 double and 4 single rooms, as well as a huge dining room, living room, outdoor area and a jacuzzi on board. The family are thought to have had a crew of at least 7 people waiting on them hand and foot during their relaxing break. Tyson and Paris first met almost 2 decades ago, when 17-year-old Tyson was an unknown up-and-coming boxer. Paris, then known as Paris Mulroy, was 15 years old and, like her future husband, was raised an Irish traveller family and a devout practicing Catholic. As practicing Catholics, Tyson and Paris didn't have sex until officially becoming husband and wife. Even after we got engaged, Tyson would sleep in a caravan at my parents' home, while I slept inside the house, Paris has previously explained in the past. We didn't sleep together until after we got married. That is the traveler's way. Once married, Paris and Tyson began creating their brood and are now parents to 6 children together, daughters Venezuela, 11, and 4-year-old Valencia Amber, 3 sons who are all called Prince, and newest addition to the Fury family, Athena, who was born in August last year. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.